Hello, bestie. I hope I find you well. It has been long. So recently I removed my Sisterlocs that I had for some time. I think I had them for something like 8 to 10 months. I'm not sure exactly of the time. So the hairdresser that removed my Sisterlocs chopped my hair, almost half of it. So I lost a lot of hair. You'll notice from the video that my hair is very, very short. But I have been getting some inspiration to get Sisterlocs from videos that I have been watching, from people that I've been seeing, and I've been falling in love with them. So this inspired me to get my Sisterlocs, and we are finally here. Get my Sisterlocs with me. I hope I'll be also be an inspiration to you to join this amazing journey I've embarked on. So the process of getting Sisterlocs took me a whole full day.